So in Charles' law, it's a relation of temperature and volume. Here it is given as absolute temperature. So what do you mean by absolute temperature? Actually in Charles' law it says that fixed mass of a gas at constant pressure, volume of a gas increases on increasing temperature and decreases on cooling. They found that for each degree rise in temperature, volume of a gas increases by 1 by 273.15 of the original volume of gas at 0 degrees Celsius. Thus, if volume of a gas at 0 Celsius and at T Celsius are V0 and Vt respectively. So then it is given in your textbook, okay, in page 132. Vt is equal to V0. That means volume temperature V0 at 0 plus T by 273.15 into V0. Vt equal to V0 1 plus T by 273.15. At this stage, we define a new scale of temperature such that T centigrade on a new scale is given by T is equal to 273.15 plus T and 0 Celsius will be given at T0 equal to 273.15. This new temperature scale is called Kelvin temperature scale or absolute temperature scale. Thus, 0 degrees Celsius on the Celsius scale is equal to 273.15 K. 0 Celsius on the degree Celsius scale is equal to 273.15 Kelvin at the absolute scale. So, the degree sign is not used while writing the temperature in absolute temperature scale, that is Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale of a temperature is also called thermodynamic scale of temperature and is used as in all scientific terms. So thus we add 273. More precisely, we have to use the number 273.15 to the Celsius temperature to obtain the temperature at Kelvin. So how to convert degree Celsius to Kelvin? We have to add degree Celsius with 273. So when you see that V minus T equal to V0 into 1 plus minus T by 273 equal to V0 1 by minus T by 273. So V minus 273 degrees Celsius. Thus the volume of gas at minus 273 Celsius is 0. Also at a temperature below minus 273 degrees Celsius, the volume of gas sample would be negative. But it is not possible, it is abstract. This means there cannot be a temperature lower than minus 273 degrees Celsius. Hence, the temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius, exactly minus 273.15 degrees Celsius to be precise, is called absolute zero temperature. So, absolute zero temperature is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature at which an ideal gas would have zero volume at any finite temperature. The absolute temperature scale was initially defined in terms of the expansion of ideal gas. On this scale, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius was taken as 0. However, no real gas approaches an ideal or perfect gas closely enough at particularly useful pressures to permit the construction of an second law of thermodynamics. So, absolute temperature is the volume of gas will be 0. 0 volume at finite temperature, that is known as absolute temperature, is minus 273.15 degree Celsius. So you can learn that how to convert degree Celsius to Kelvin and how to convert Kelvin to degree Celsius. degrees Celsius to Kelvin, you have to add 273.15. To convert Kelvin to degrees Celsius, you have to subtract 273.15.